Accounts receivable is the money a company is owed by its customers for goods and services that have been delivered but haven't been paid for yet. There are many disciplines within the accounts receivable department that guide the customer through the order-to-cash cycle. Most business customers make orders on credit. Credit managers decide how much credit will be extended and what the payment terms will be. Invoicing specialists bill the customer for the goods or services, either electronically through emails or a website, or through snail mail. Cash application specialists accept payments from the customer through either electronic means, such as ACH, wire transfer, or credit card, or via a paper check. They then apply the payment to the open invoice and mark it as paid. Collections specialists contact customers that have not made their payments on time and encourage them to pay. The entire field of accounts receivable has been transformed in recent years by automation, and it is now possible to accomplish all of these tasks more quickly, efficiently, and precisely than ever before. For more information, visit BillTrust.com/AR Essentials.